Hello everyone and welcome to the game show. My name is Bob Smith. Today we have two contestants with us from the healthcare industry to answer questions based on the Advanced Magazine article, Technological Advancements in Healthcare. So let's meet our contestants.
Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm a physician. Glad to be here to talk about healthcare. I want everyone to be healthy. That's for sure. In fact, I have a story.
Laura, we really don't have time for the story right now. Maybe you can share that a little bit later. Okay, thanks. All right, now let's meet our other contestant, Sandy.
Hi, I'm Sandy. Great to be here on the game show.
That's it?
Oh, sorry, Bob. I'm a nurse. I help the enfeebled.
Oh, great.
Enfeebled individuals.
Yes, that's wonderful. Great to have both of you here. Are you ready for the first question?
Yes.
All right, it's a multiple choice one. Here we go. What does the term audible mean? Is it A, able to be eaten, B, able to be seen, or C, able to be heard? Laura!
It's C, Bob. It's C.
That's correct, Laura. Whoa, you are really excited. All right, it's 1-0. Next, we have a fill-in-the-blank question. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. In his book, the author blanked the history of the famous organization. A, teamed with, B, chronicled, or C, scampered.
Oh, I know, Bob, I know.
Sandy, you need to ring your bell.
Oh, I know.
Yes, Sandy.
Let me think about it. Is it,
Sandy?
Oh, I know. My best guess is it C?
Scampered?
Yeah.
Oh, Sandy, I'm sorry. That's not correct.
Is it A?
I know. Chronicled.
Woohoo!
Yes.
I got another one correct.
B, chronicled is correct. So it's 2-0. Laura, you are in the lead. And here's the final question. What does it mean if a part of your body has a defect?
I know.
Yes.
It means to combine something. I knew it. I got all three correct. Yes.
Laura, that's the definition for fuse, not defect. Sorry.
Oh, I know.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Sandy.
If a part of your body has a defect, it means something is wrong with that part of your body.
Sandy, wow, you are correct.
Yay!
Good job. But Laura, you are today's winner. Congratulations.
Yes.
Thank both of you for being contestants on the game show, and thank all of you for tuning in as well. Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Good job.